Vicces macskákat fogunk nézni. MrJohn vagyok, sziasztok! Jó, akkor kezdjünk el egy ilyen vicces, macskás videót. Vicces, hogy nagyon sokan. Nem tudom, hogy szeretnétek egy ilyen videót is még, csak remélem nem fordul meg a géppel. Ma azon kapok szívbajt. De mindig valamit akadozna a videónak a izéje. Hello. Nézzük.
Stop! Raggy! Stop!
Állj már meg.
Nope.
De...
You a jerk.
Na, ha ezt a macska ezt megcsinálod, én tütőnek nem foglak vágni. Igaz, nem sok helyen.
Stop it. You're a jerk.
Bro definitely did that on Poop Horse, no doubt.
Dick, hey,
Lucky.
csinálod.
Luther, it's okay, baby. Lucky, what? Stop it.
Sure, she will solve and get a chance. She just need little tuna.
I skipped social media for one day and now cats are fighting over a pot.
El akar menni a macska. Azt akarja, vigyék el. Dick.
Well,
I don't know who he is, been meowing on our doorstep for so long. But I don't even know, so I'm gonna put him food, but I'm putting him across the street because I don't want to give it to my other cats because he wants to fight my cat.
Work-life balance. He's handling the life part for you by asking for hugs.
Nézd, hogy kell szerelni.
Mama says no. I said no. Matt,
Dick.
why did you have to do that? What? Don't. You're gonna knock everything down again.
Hey. Tojás.
So, what exactly is this cat planning to do with that broom?
Rakshasa, she was sitting there first. She was in the bed first. Stop throwing a fit. God, cat.
Fújbe van a kutya.
She was there first.
Dude must have taken a CPR class, but probably skipped 90% of the sessions though.
Szegény gyerek.
ali é humilhante. Sai, você vai pra lá.
Trying to make a bed with a cat.
Cook.
Are you comfy? Are you happy with yourself?
Oh no, you don't kiss me with that post-meal mouth.
Y'all just talk it out. Just talk it out, bro.
Dikkat bunyóznak.
Does anyone have any advice to get him to stop doing this? I've put so much tinfoil on this TV, and I've tried double-sided tape. Nothing is working.
Acaba birazcık yavaş mı davransa?
Arknight's Enfield is giving out
Hú, ez a reklámok komolyan úgy.
calls right now for the
Lássátok,
official
éppen
launch.
mutatták valami videót, jót, és van egy bászol egy csávó egy videókba. Jó, reklámok, de mi a picsáért kell jönniük ide ilyenkor?
So it looks like right off the bat we have to go ahead and pull this lever down, which is really cool. I love the fact that there's like a little interactive thing for it. And I'm assuming the color means that's what you're gonna get. So let's go ahead and assume that is a 5-star character. Hold on, these animations are...
Na, éppen néztük volna egy videót, ha.
When they said the path of knowledge was tough, I didn't think they meant this.
What are you doing?
Dick, hey! Azzal szoktam a fülemet piszkálni.
Instead of diving into the food bowl, this guy do this. Double the patience for ya.
Dick.
Stop it! Stop!
Cuki.
Yep, that place. A bit higher.
Úgy vagy. Belezel folyt.
Cheeto!
Child.
You're a father, Cheeto.
Your father, Cheeto!
Stop running.
Jerry, come here, baby.
Ne vissza a pohárból a vizet. Ez enyém. Dick.
It's a butthole. I mean, everybody does look. It's pretty great, but don't need to brag. But it's okay.
Annoying humans, for some cats, is a lifestyle.
Dick.
You are putting all 19 pounds of your Blanco mayonnaise egg wash looking ass on my food. Get off! Get off of me!
Az mi?
Bro sure looks like a pro, just without any safety standards included.
Dick!
Olá, boa sexta-feira a todos.
Nem, hallja a szöveget.
Was she not having Grandad?
No more biscuits. Look at this. Oh, carry this one upside down. This is the way.
The rule is drop it and keep playing, right? Not cat's rule, though.
Egy ilyet kéne majd szereznem. Be tudom botot, macskát elvinni, játszani vele. Harap meg.
Doesn't like my phone. She's gonna hit it.
Yes, yes. Tasty, delicious.
Soft bed? Nah, a pair of jeans that moves constantly. Absolutely.
No. No.
No.
Yummy. No. No.
No.
Don't look at me that way. You heard what I said. No.
Buddy. Give it to me.
Good thing there's no creepy music playing, or he'll look like plotting some evil plan.
Are you kidding me, dude? Get down!
Look at me. Look at me. With your face, not your ears. Look at me.
Seriously, what did you tell it about Santa Claus?
Hogy elkapta. De okos macska. Jó, elvitte.
Get out of there.
Mindenhol elvittük azt, nem amit kéne.
It's pretty good.
Too peaceful for a cat.
Mikor szereti a simogasság.
What do you think you're doing? What do you think you're doing? I don't think so. I don't think so. Those are mine. Keep your hands to yourself.
Nagyon kell neki a kaja.
Yes, and welcome back to my channel. What? Keep dancing.
Babe! Your dad's not here. You better stop it, or else I'm gonna call your dad.
Once a cat's focused, you're just background noise.
Kup, yes. De nekem nem szól vakarózni.
It's really not an exaggeration to say cats will eat literally anything.
A másik percig.
And that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.
Jó, van egy rajtam egy jó erős zokni, ami tudjátok, ami nem fáj. Na jó, ha tetszett ez a videó, csapassatok egy nagy lájkot a videómra. Sziasztok!